Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, September 11th. Our key points: that Pacific low is going to very gradually shift inland, keeping the pattern unsettled and cooler through at least Saturday. So we'll see isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms daily, with daytime highs running about 5 to 10 degrees below normal. And then Sunday's looking to be a relatively quiet day in between systems, with the transient ridge passing through, with another low expected to reach Idaho come Monday. Our weather risk outlook covering this week into early next week. So we'll have at least slight chances pretty much area wide daily. The exception to that is looking like Sunday. Best chances today will be in the central mountains. And then, like I mentioned on Sunday, with that transient ridge moving overhead ahead of that next low, we still will have slight chances for showers and thunderstorms along the higher terrain of the central mountains and eastern highlands. But all in all, it's looking like a quieter day. And then the details of that next system that's going to arrive Monday are yet to be sorted out. But it does look like a continuation to this active pattern. Current look at satellite is showing some mid to high level clouds filtering through the southwest flow as that low pressure system shifts further eastward. And temperatures today, like I said, starting to run about 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. And they're going to stay pretty consistent over the next few days. So in our lower elevations, we're expecting low to mid 70s and then 50s and 60s in the higher terrain. And for wind gusts this afternoon, mostly around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Some areas will see closer to 25 or 30 miles per hour along some ridge tops. And this is outside of thunderstorm gust. Thunderstorms will be capable of about 40 or 45 miles per hour, but just for our afternoon gust, maxing out about 15 to 20 for most areas. And probability of lightning this afternoon. So the similar corridor that we've seen in past afternoons is going to be favored. So central mountains over into the eastern highlands. Today, a little bit more likely for south central Idaho, but the greatest potential is going to be in the central mountains yet again, where 30 to 40% chance of thunderstorms exist again. And for low temperatures tonight, we're going to continue to see very mild overnight temperatures, so plenty of mid to upper 40s. And then, of course, chillier in the higher terrain, more so in the 30s and lower 40s range. And high temperatures tomorrow, again, like I said, within just a few degrees of what we're expecting today, so around mid 70s in the lower elevations and cooler in the higher terrain. And wind gusts for tomorrow afternoon, a little bit less breezy, probably maxing out about 15 miles per hour across much of the area. And probability of lightning tomorrow, less potential across a good portion of the area, but we're still going to see best chances in south central Idaho along our borders with Nevada and Utah, and still also greatest chances in the central mountains over to Island Park. And low temperatures tomorrow night, very similar yet again, 40s and 30s or so in the mountains. Temperatures highs for Saturday, very similar still, lots of 70s and 60s in the mid to high elevations. And wind gusts for Saturday afternoon, about the same as what we're expecting for tomorrow. And probability of lightning for Saturday. So you can see the greatest potential is going to be a little bit further east come Saturday, and that's due to that low pressure system continuing to shift inland and track further eastward. So best chances are going to be along the Montana Divide and in the east and southeast highlands. And low temperatures for Saturday night, similar yet again. So looking ahead, like I mentioned, that next system is expected by early next week. So we're looking at a continuation of above normal precipitation heading into mid to late September, as well as above normal temperatures favored for the 6 to 10 day outlook. So just to summarize, that Pacific low is going to very gradually shift inland over the next few days, keeping this active unsettled pattern going with cooler temperatures through Saturday. with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms daily, and daytime highs running about 5 to 10 degrees below normal. When we get to Sunday, it's looking to be relatively quiet. We will have some slight chances for showers and thunderstorms across the more northern extent of our forecast area in between systems. It does look like it'll be a little bit warmer on Sunday as that transient ridge shifts overhead, but that next low is going to arrive on Monday, and that's what's looking like it's going to keep an active pattern in store for us. So if you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We hope you have a great day.